beautiful coloring drawing. Hello everyone. Today I'm drawing geometric shapes. Let's draw and paint them together. First I'm drawing a hexagon. And I'm drawing a rhombus. I'm drawing a rectangle here. And now I'm drawing a pentagon. Let's draw a square here. Please try to draw with me. Let's draw an ellipse here. And I'm drawing a triangle. Finally, I'm drawing a circle. It's so much fun to draw and paint geometric shapes. Pink. Purple. Orange. Let's paint the rectangle with blue and pink. Let's paint the pentagon with orange and yellow. For more video, please subscribe my channel. Red. Orange. Let's paint the ellipse with green and blue. Light blue. Yellow. Finally, let's paint circle with light green and red. See you on next video.